If you've ever had a roof leak, you're familiar with that ugly stain that's left behind on your ceiling even after the leak is fixed. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll take care of that stain right after this. Mold on your siding, moss on your roof, mildew on your deck. The easiest way to get rid of it all is with Wet and Forget Outdoor. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no pressure washing. Just spray and leave. Wet and Forget Outdoor is non-caustic and safe for any outdoor surface. Just spray and you're done with Wet and Forget Outdoor. Get Wet and Forget Outdoor at participating Ace, Walmart, and Lowe's home improvement stores, or visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. When a roof leak reaches the living space of your home, the water stains the drywall where it soaks through. Many people assume that they can just roll a coat of paint over the spot and the problem is solved. But it doesn't work that way because that stain will bleed right back through. The solution is a stain blocking primer, and the easiest way to apply it is with a spray can. In fact, some manufacturers design cans to spray up and even formulate the color to match a typically off-white ceiling. First, cover the area beneath the stain with a drop cloth and then gently dust the spot with the primer until it disappears. You want to feather the primer out around the stain so that the repair is less visible. And remember, several light coats is always better than that one heavy coat. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.